if you are working on your nails, like if at home, can't work for next 2 weeks, is having fun doing your beautiful nails. You can have a little like a jars and place your hand like this, so you can have stationery and you can apply that on and place on your nails. Okay. Please condensed glue gel as usual. Hold on. Okay. Blend it out. Even the short nail is so much fun to doing with this, and it will last so long. Okay, don't touch my finger, please. Thank you. Yeah. Oh my god. You know, I don't know everyone. I was like really like that colors. I like that one. I like a bright color though. Can I do this? I know you guys said you guys gonna pick out the colors, but I'm just seeing all this here. Hold on, I want one of this. See, that's the reason you don't see me doing my nails, because sometimes I create some cool different look, and it might take a long time because it's my therapy time. To keep me go strong every day in live video, I have this so then I can able to work with you. Can I get some of this? This one? Yeah. Thank you. Look at that. I don't know. I kind of like a center right here. Hold on. Did I forgot something, everyone? Top coat. See? Condensed glue gel. Top coat. No wipe top coat. For all of you, I love you guys so much. Okay, blend it nicely. You know, be honest, doing for clients now, it's easier for doing my nails than doing my nails. Make sure you covers all the edges and not touching cuticles. Okay. I get some wax stick on it, but I'm not worried about it. Oh, what? It's crazy. It's gonna be long. I'm gonna put something on it. Oh, it's gonna be so bright, everyone. So bright. Let me move this so you will not catching on everything. That's why I love on long nails, you know, it's like short nail. I can't do anything. Hold on. Do I have something to stand on it? Right here. Are you seeing it? Okay. Wait a minute. We can't not just do all. Tell me what the next year, but you have to put in a theme because I'm trying to do like pink and yellow. So everything in pink and yellow, now you pick. And I will do it. I don't care for the color underneath, so that's why I cover it. You just play the crystal, the beads. So we have a lot of questions at how you can play the crystal and how when is the best and where is the best place to place a crystal. As long as you place them tight together, this is like some fun advice for beginner. You place your crystal tight and close together. The beads look so stunning. Nice. Tiny little one. Can't find a little one. Then put the beads in there. If you don't like that big, like what I have right now, just don't put the raindrop on. One more in there, and then I'm gonna cure my nails. Okay, I'm gonna just adjusting it and cure my nails for 60 seconds. Grab me the lamp. I almost do 3D flowers on my nails. That is stunning. I just adjusting some of my crystal for my nails. So when I cure, it's gonna be staying in one place. Okay. And hi, Mirandi. You like short nail? Short. 60 seconds. Okay, now next nails. And like, it's so much fun to do. Okay, so I'm gonna save it for tomorrow. I might doing something else. So tonight was good. So you got to see me doing my nails for quick video. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in tonight. Let me announce who the winning of the giveaway last set, the theme that we did last night. Oh, this one is, I like it a lot too. This one we have right here. Can you see it? Instagram. Great, so I'm gonna put some precision glue on this. Otherwise it's gonna catching, you know, my hair and then my clothes. I feel scratchy right here, so I'm gonna fill it in. So it doesn't matter how good, it's like I applied it on. This precision glue is too magical. Like, I'm really hard on my nails, so that's why when I seal this, I really seal it good. So for all of you who are asking like how I get my nails done and how it lasts that long, because I do it so then it can last. Like today, Ali have a hard time to take it off, but I'm seal it in and make sure right here they're not catching anything, because right on the edges they can see that. And I can, if I need to, I can do another layer of it of precision glue. So here for 60 seconds. That's a lot of like neon crystal in this. Before it die. Thank you so much. Absolutely, Foxy Loxy. We're definitely gonna see you tomorrow, and then let me announce the theme. I know I can sit here and do my nails all day. Maybe I should after the live video. After I announce, what is that? Oh. So the name of the theme for this is Modern Elegance. And congratulations, the winner is Ashley Muir? Okay, I'm sorry. It's Modern Elegance, Ashley Muir 56. If you are here, Ashley, congratulations on winning that our collectible mix bag. And I love the name as well. I don't know, it's got the notes from the team, so I'm just reading it. And as we say earlier, that's the office person should be a doctor, because the handwriting is so bad. Look at my finger. Ha.